In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome history. If you've been browsing and want a quick cleanup, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, most direct way to view what's saved and remove what you don't want to keep. We'll stick to a simple method that saves time and gives you control, whether you're clearing a few recent searches or wiping everything. Start by using a quick keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+H. Instead of digging through menus, this instantly opens your full history manager in a new tab. Here, you'll see a timeline of the sites you've visited, organized by time. Each entry has a small checkbox to the left, and the page title and website address to the right, so you can easily recognize what you want to remove. This view is designed for quick review and fast action. If you only want to delete a few specific sites, select the checkboxes next to the items you want gone. This is ideal if you just need to remove a handful of recent searches or visits without touching the rest of your history. You can choose one item or several at once. Take a moment to double-check your selections before moving on, since removing history can't be undone. Once you've selected what you want to remove, click the Delete button at the top right, then confirm when prompted. Those selected sites are immediately removed from your history. That means they won't show up in your history list anymore, and they're less likely to appear as suggestions when you start typing in the address bar. If you'd rather wipe everything in one go, look to the left side of the history page and click Clear Browsing Data. This opens a panel designed for bulk clearing. From here, you have the option to delete your entire history at once. Use this when you want a fresh start and don't need to keep any record of past visits. Keep in mind that clearing history is permanent, and if you use Chrome Sync across devices, the deletion will apply there too. After you finish, your history is cleared and your recent activity is private on this device. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and effective. Now you know the fastest route to open the History Manager, remove only what you need, or clear everything in one sweep. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want a clean slate in Google Chrome.